In a surprising and embarrassing turn of events, a Zanu PF chairperson has accidentally leaked personal photographs into a party-affiliated WhatsApp group, triggering a wave of internal strife and public backlash. The incident, which has sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe's ruling party, underscores deep-seated division with Emerson Mnangagwa's political camp. Ashperi mushe sana bina mashuka blanyi kwa mzara nasi nodibo subscribe ole got on the bell icon. Tipina onyera wachiti, the chairperson, whose identity remained undisclosed for ethical considerations, has not been afforded the usual protective measures typically extended to high-ranking officials in similar predicaments. Unlike other institutions that might swiftly move the shield, the individual's identity and delete the images, Zanu PF has chosen to leave the matter exposed, suggesting significant internal discord. Sources close to the situation report that the leaked images, while not explicitly detailed, have nonetheless provoked outrage among party members. The chairperson has yet to issue a public statement or respond to inquiries from ZimI, leaving a cloud of speculation and uncertainty over the incident. Ashperi mushe muri Zimbabwe ndochiitiko chakaitika bato reZanu PF riri kunzi aiwa izvi zvinatsoratidza kuti mubato reZanu PF notukamirwa nemutungamiri wenyika namasondamdzo Mnangagwa mune ma-deep seated divisions inoda kuti aiwa these leaks aitika zvinonzi aiwa these images they must not be deleted. Muri Zimbabwe tudze mavhunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kana komene section medu usano subscribe kuleka chete notina on the bell icon.